Manage Listing and Profit Calculator. Today we will talk about Manage Listing and Profit Calculator on Repricing Central. There is a lot of information to get through on Manage Listing, so let's start with the buy box win percentage first. This number is not a prediction. Instead, it's a metric for a user to determine if the current pricing rules are performing well, given the current market environment. The system collects and analyzes the Amazon reports on that listing based on the price history. Offers. Offers indicates how many competitors are selling the same product right now. Fulfillment type. There are two types of fulfillment, FBM and FBA, which is indicated by the red arrow below. Quantity. This indicates the quantity of current inventory. The quantity of the FBA listing will be updated every 2 hours. FBM listings will be updated every 2 to 4 hours. Buy box owner. The buy box owner icon indicates what type of seller is in possession of the buy box right now. Position. The position indicator shows where the listing is among the top 20 competitors. Rank. Rank shows the position of the listing's seller rank. The information is updated by the SQS reports that we collect from Amazon. Profit calculator. The profit calculator allows you to figure out what your minimum and maximum prices should be. Click on the calculator icon under the min price or max price column to open the calculator interface. The price calculator shows the following information. Fulfillment. There will be an FBA or FBM icon indicating the fulfillment type for this listing. Product cost. This is the combined cost of the product. This should be the same figure as the number in the cost column. Actual shipping cost. If the listing is FBM, you can enter the actual shipping cost here. Amazon Referral Fee. The Amazon Referral Fee is dependent upon the listing category and is based on the MWS fee estimate report. Essentially, this is Amazon's estimation, so it's not always 100% accurate. Closing fee. If an Amazon closing fee applies, it will appear here. FBA fulfillment fees. If the listing is FBA, the Amazon fulfillment FBA fee is shown here. You can input a value as the min price to let BQool calculate the estimated profit margin, and the ROI for you. Alternatively, you can input any value as the estimated profit margin, or ROI to let BQool calculate the min price. The choice is yours.